Exercise 13. We are always talking about set number 4. A car rental company charges a flat fee of $49.99 for renting a car and $0.79 for every 10 miles driven. Marcus paid a total of $141.77 for a rental car. If M is the number of miles that Marcus drove the car, which of the following equations represents this situation? Okay, let's go over it again. So, we have our friend Marcus here who wants to rent a car. He will definitely have to pay a flat fee of $49.99. And then 0.79, but this is the tricky part, for every 10 miles. And if you consider that with the way the question itself is formed, it says that M is the number of miles, not the number of 10 miles. So through the relation that $0.79 every 10 miles, we can translate that as $0.079 every 1 mile. So now we know the exact amount that he will be charged per mile. And we also know that he drove M miles. So for these M miles, he will have to pay 0.079 multiplied by M. And if next to it you add the flat fee, you will have the total price, which is, in this case, equals to 141.77, which means that the right answer for this specific question would have been C, 49.9 plus 0.079 M.